Welcome, in front of me I have OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I will show you how you can find and manage sound settings. Open the settings at the first and then go for the sound. And when we are here at the first, we can change volume of the media, calls, ringtone and alarm by moving these dots like that. And also we can activate vibration for calls by tapping on the switcher. For sure, we can activate Do Not Disturb mode by enter here. Of course, you can customize the Do Not Disturb mode like you want, but if you want to turn it off, you have to tap on the button like here. Then we can go back and we can go for the other settings like phone ringtone or default notification sound. To change, just click and tap OK. And when you go for advanced, we can find all of things like touch vibration, touch sounds, charging sounds, and vibrate when called. So, as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.